Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will learn Surah al Kafirun Makkiyah. This surah has 6 ayah and 1 ruku'. This lesson is brought to you by eQuranacademy.com. If you want to learn Quran online at home with live Quran classes for kids and adults from qualified Quran teachers, visit now eQuranacademy.com and sign up for 3 days free trial classes. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Qaf, Damma, Lam, Qul. Lam has sukoon sign, so previous letter connect into Lam because Lam has sukoon sign. Qaf, Damma, Lam, Qul. Ya, Fatha Tawila Mad, Ya. This is Madde Munfasil, M, U, N, F, A, S, Munfasil. Remember name of this mad is Madde Munfasil. And how you will know this is Madde Munfasil? If after mad sign next letter is alif, that must be Madde Munfasil. And length of Madde Munfasil 2.5 alif, and this is optional mad. If you want to skip, you can skip. But if you skip, you have to skip everywhere in that recitation. And if you make at least one, you have to make all of them. But this is optional, up to you. If you follow Madde Munfasil, you have to follow all of them in that recitation. Ya Fatha Tawila Mad, Ya Qul, Ya Alif Fatha Ya Aj, Ya Damma Ju, Ya Ayyu. Ya has Shadda sign, you have to read 2 times. First time read with previous letter, alif will connect into ya, and second time ya will read with damma sign. Alif fatha ya aj, ya damma ju, ya ayyu. Ha fatha lam hal, ya ayyu hal. We have to skip alif because lam has sukoon sign. Lam has sukoon sign, and if letter has sukoon sign, only that previous letter connect into sukoon's letter which must has fatha kasra damma. That letter is ha, so ha will connect into lam. Ya ayyuhal. Ka fatha tawila ka, fa kasra fi, kafi, ra damma waw ru, kafiru, noon fatha na, Kafiruna, because of stop, Fatha will not read, and we will read Kafirun. And remember, this is Vaw Madda. Vaw Madda is long vowel. If Vaw Madda comes after any letter, that previous letter must be stretched. When Vaw has sukoon sign and previous letter has Damma sign, that time Vaw will read as Madda, and previous letter must be stretched. Ra damma waw ru, kafiru, noon fatha na, kafiruna. Please read after me. Qul ya ayyuhal kafirun. Lam fatha alif mad, la. This is madde munfasil. Alif fatha ain a, la a. Ba damma bu, la a bu. Dal damma du, la a bu du. Mim fatha alif ma, ta fatha ain ta. Ba damma bu, ta'bu, dal damma waw du, ta'budu. This is waw madda, waw long vowel. Ta'budu, noon fathana. Ta'buduna, because of stop, we will read تعبدون. Please read after me. لا أعبد ما تعبدون. واو فتحة و، لام فتحة ألف مد لا ولا. This is مد منفصل. ألف فتحة نون أن ولا أن. If noon has sukoon sign, that time we have to make gunna on noon. Gunna means produce sound from nose and stay at least one alif. If there is no harufi halqi after noon sakin, so there are 6 harufi halqi: hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. If these 6 letters comes after noon sakin, that time you cannot make gunna on noon. Otherwise, you have to make gunna. So there is no harufi halqi after noon sakin. So you have to make gunna over here. Wala an ta damma mim tum. Wala antum. Ain fatha tawila. A ba kasra bi. عابي دال دمّا واو دو عابدو نون فتحة نا عابدون ميم فتحة ألف مد ما ألف فتحة عين با دمّا بو أعبو دال دمّا دو أعبدو. Because of stop, Dhamma will not read and we will read أعبد. Please read after me. وَلَا أَنْتُمْ عَابِدُونَ مَا أَعْبُدُ وَلَا أَنَا. واو فتحة و، لام فتحة ألف مد لا ولا ألف فتحة أ نون فتحة نا أنا. We cannot read this alif. Technically we should read ana, but here is exception. Whenever word ana will come in Quran, you cannot read ana. You always read ana. That's mean ana's alif cannot read. You cannot read ana's alif. Always read ana. Wala ana. Please remember. Wala ana. We cannot read ana's alif. Ain fatha alif a ba kasra bi abi dal dammatain mim dum abidum dammatain, and da will connect into mim because mim has shadda sign. We making idgham here, but I will teach you about idgham in future lesson inshallah. Abidum mim fatha alif ma عابدum ما عين فتحة با فتحة تابت عبد. We have to skip dal because ta has shadda sign, and shadda's sign need that previous letter which must has fatha kasra dhamma, which is ba. Dal is sakin. We cannot connect dal into ta because shadda's need fatha kasra dhamma, which is ba has fatha. عبد تا دمّا ميم تم عبدتم. Please read after me. ولا أنا cannot stretch. أنا ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم. واو فتحة و، لام فتحة ألف مد لا ولا. This is مد منفصل. ألف فتحة نون you have to make غنة on noon. Alif Fatha Noon an. Wala an. Ta Damma Mim tum. Wala antum. Ain Fatha Tawila a. Ba Kasra bi. Abi. Dal Damma Waw du. Abidu. Noon Fatha na. Abiduna. Mim Fatha Alif Mad Ma. This is Mad Munfasil. Alif Fatha Ain A. Ma A. Ba Damma Bu. Ma A'bu. Dal Damma Du. Ma A'budu. Because of stop, Damma will not read, and we will read Ma A'bud. If you continue, you have to read A'budu lakum. But if you stop, you have to read A'bud. Please read after me. Wala antum abiduna ma a'bud. Lam Fatha La. Kaf Damma Mim Kum. Lakum. Dal Kasra Ya Di. Noon Damma Nu. Dinu. Kaf Damma Mim Kum. Dinukum. Waw Fatha Wa. Lam Kasra Li. Ya Fatha Ya. Wali Ya. Don't get confused. This Fatha belong to Ya. This one. And obviously this kasra belong to lam. So it's very confusing. This kasra belong to lam but comes below the ya. But ya also has this fatha. So this belong to ya. This fatha belong to ya, and this kasra belong to lam. Waliya. Dal kasra ya. Di. Noon kasra ni. Di ni. Because of stop, kasra will not read, and we will read deen. Please read after me. Lakum dinukum waliyadeen. Okay, we have completed this lesson, and remember, this is Madde Munfasil, this is Madde Munfasil, this is also Madde Munfasil, Madde Munfasil, Madde Munfasil, optional mad. Length is 2.5 alif. If you want to skip, you can skip this mad, but in that case you have to read standard alif, which is a. Wala, ba, ta, tha, that is standard alif. If you skip this mad, you have to read alif a basic length, wala ana. If you make this mad, you have to stretch 2.5 alif, wala ana. So remember about Madde Munfasil. So this lesson all about Madde Munfasil. So inshallah, we will read next lesson tomorrow and practice this lesson 2-3 times. And if you are new our channels and you miss our previous lessons, please visit our website equranacademy.com, and you can find our all previous lesson on our website. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.